Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics dark needle. First, let's simplify this challenging topic. We'll start by identifying the core principles that underpin the dark needle concept. Then, we'll learn to dissect complex ideas into manageable segments, making them less intimidating. Finally, I'll show you how visualizing abstract physics can significantly boost your comprehension and retention. This method will make even the most elusive physics concepts accessible. To truly grasp the dark needle, begin by pinpointing the essential definitions and formulas. Don't just memorize, strive to understand their derivation and application. Next, connect these new insights to physics principles you already know well. This creates a stronger mental framework. Finally, employ simple analogies to demystify abstract ideas. For instance, think of a complex field as a flowing river. This helps build intuition and makes the subject less daunting. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering any physics topic, especially the dark needle. Work through a diverse range of problems, from basic to advanced, to solidify your understanding. When you make a mistake, don't just move on, carefully analyze why your answer was incorrect. This deep review prevents repeating errors. A powerful technique is to explain the concepts aloud to a friend or even yourself. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. Regular review sessions are vital to keep the dark needle concepts fresh in your mind. Schedule short, frequent reviews rather than cramming. Also, leverage the wealth of resources available, including online tutorials, academic papers, and supplementary textbooks, to gain different perspectives. These tools can offer alternative explanations and examples. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep exploring and learning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.